guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'd like to say, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So today what we're going to be doing is a Walmart haul. I found so many cute things for fall and Christmas at Walmart. So let's hop right into it. Okay, the first thing I have here is a Christmas tree crate, okay? And that's what it looks like, okay? And I got this because I'm going to be decorating my bedroom. I'd hold it up, but it is, well, I'll put it like this on my knee. It's pretty heavy and with my hand. But I'm going to be decorating my bedroom for Christmas, and I have I want to do, I'm thinking kind of like a cabin theme. You just wait, you'll have to see it. I think it's going to be really cute. So I picked this up. It was $19.99, okay? So I love that. And then, and Maggie is running around here. This was on sale. It says $14.87, but it wasn't. It was like $3. It's a little, I love Coke, okay? And it's a little t-shirt pajama set. You get the t-shirt, enjoy Coca-Cola. You get the little socks, and then look at the shorts. I thought these were so adorable, so I picked this up. And for $3 with all that, that is a deal, okay? Now, I've had this stuff quite a while. I will tell you that, okay? Then I picked this up, these sweatpants, and they just say Cartoon Network, and they are black. They look like they might be coming across a little bit of blue, but they're really black. And I really like these because when it gets really cool down here, then I can put them on. So, and I picked up a medium because I didn't know. Sometimes I wear a small and sometimes not, so I will just see how that goes. Then I picked this up. I love this sweater. They have them in a lot of different colors, and they were $11.98. It's such a lightweight, like t-shirt material, and I thought this would look so good for fall. So I picked it up. I love the bottom, how it is like, kind of has that little slit, and the front is shorter than the back. But I just loved this, and I won't burn totally up in this, and that's important down here. So I loved that little find. Okay, now let's get into some good stuff. Not that that wasn't good, but some fun stuff, okay? Now let me show you what else I found, okay? Maggie. They had this. Now, she wears an extra small. This is a small, but it will still work. Has this little hat, like a hood, because sometimes when she goes outside and it has the Velcro, it gets really cold down here, and she's so tiny she freezes in the winter. So this will keep her nice and toasty. So I picked that up. And then look at this church. You all know many of you know, I have a nativity tree in my den/reading room. So here this is. I think it's lovely. Look at that church. I love the glitter. So pretty. Pick that up. Then I love these when I saw these. Now, how much was the church? Okay, the church was $1.98, okay? I thought that was really good. And I picked up 2 of these. They were $1.98 as well. Look at this with that snow inside, the little nativity, and this is like a plastic. Look at that. And then it's on the back as well. Love this, okay? So like I said, I picked up 2 of these. Then look at these angel wings. They're made of wood. Are those not beautiful? And these were $1.98 as well. And you can see they're not real big, but for an ornament, to me, they're perfect. So I picked up 2 of these. And then I saw these little picket fence, this is picket fence for $2.97. And I thought, I might want to do something with that. So I picked up one of these. I love the garland and the ribbon. And let me see if it says it's 23.25 inches. And it's 2 inches high, okay? Then we're going to be making some muffins that are Starbucks copycats. So I picked these up. Cannot wait to do this, and Melvin's going to assist me with that. And then they had this. This was $2.98. Love it. Look at the little rooster. This is very thick wood. And then it says Home Sweet Home. This would be great for an everyday tier tray, so farmhouse, even French country. I love it. And then look at this. I love little pigs. This says family and friends welcome. Same principle, really thick. Look at his little tail. $2.98. Okay. And then they had these cute little signs. This was $2.67. Look at that. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. I love those flowers. Just look so pretty. And they're like a metal. And look how distressed they are. And then this one is my favorite. Look at this. Pumpkin spice season. I thought I would get this for next year. These would be beautiful in a tier tray. $2.97 as well. And look at all that gorgeous distressing. I love it. Then I picked these up, and I thought maybe like when it's kind of more farmhouse than what I decorate, but to me some of these are also French country, and they're plates. They're just for decor, but look at this. It talks about morning coffee, Sun Valley. Look at those rooster and hen. And it was $5.98. So pick that one up. And Gold Wings Chick Feed. I'm not really sure why I picked them up. They were all $5.98, and they're scooped down in. I just thought maybe in a vignette or in my hutch in strategic places or the kitchen, they would look really cute. Now look at this. Like I said, I love little pigs, and he's definitely adorable. Sunshine Brand Sweet Ham. I love those colors. That has a lot of the same colors that's in my kitchen, okay? And then there's one more thing, and that is it. All right, I picked this up, and it says Historic Downtown Farmers Market every weekend since 1926, farm fresh produce. I love this. It's got all that delicious distressing. It's the metal, and it is large, as you can see. Now, this was $6.98. If you can believe it. I cannot believe it. $6.98 for all that goodness. Love it. Okay. So that's everything that I found at Walmart this week. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I really am loving all these cute little finds. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Wednesday for all I can say is you don't want to miss this Dollar Tree haul. That's all I can say. Unbelievable new finds for Christmas. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. She says, I have been having fun running around and playing. Yes, she has. Yes, she has. Say hi. Say hello. Say I love you. Say, I want to play. Do you want to play? Oh my, she wants to play. She's so excited. So until next time, bye guys.